Thank you very much. It's quite interesting to listen to the presentation that we just had a second ago, because maybe not all, but most of the problems that were addressed, we are already solving. In the presentation, you will see to what I'm referring to. So first of all, we are the same as the last speaker, located in Uppsala, just a few kilometers away from here, and you're very welcome to visit us. We have open doors tomorrow from 9 o'clock. I'm happy to host you, to show as well the capabilities that we are developing just here in Sweden. We are more than 50 employees currently. We are not a startup. We are at the level that we are having presence as well in US. There are not so many companies, European companies, that are delivering to constellations in US. We do have clients in Japan, for example, JAXA, and we do have as well a constellation in South Korea. Of course, European market is our core market. And today I will present two cases. The one case is on the commercial side. It's a IRIDE constellation, Italian constellation, and the second one is a Bifrost project. It's a defense project together with Danish and Swedish side. When talking about space, the heritage is something that you want to have. You want to work with the partners that are reliable. We started in 2013. In 2016, we had the first heritage. As you can imagine, in 2016, not many companies were thinking about AI in space. It's very easy to have on your computer AI on the ground, but to deploy the algorithms, in space is a completely different story. And that's what we do since already number of years. 2016, there was constellation of 50 units already, 50 cards. Based on those experience, we started developing more advanced products. One I brought here, that's the iX5 model, and that already has as well heritage. One of the interesting application that we did was in 2023, that was together with the Orbit, and what is enabling to upload different type of applications. So in this case, we're running 40 third-party different applications in space on one satellite. What advantage you are having? If you're a commercial operator of the constellation, you can change and you can have multiple type of the missions with multiple clients. Why is it important? We had today in the morning the presentation of VC. We want to have sustainable business models, right? And that's what we want in space. That's on the commercial side. But first of all, what's the advantage that Unibap is bringing? Unibap is giving you a computer that is enabling all the algorithms, machine learning, AI to happen as well in space. I will present two challenges, as I was asked to talk about cases and solutions that are existing for those. The first is a commercial constellation, and there we hear very often, okay, the assets in space are not generating enough revenue. We need to have more clients, we need to have more users and multiple cases. And the second challenge is the downlink is extremely expensive. How to solve this solution? There you have the solution, and that's the example of the IRIDE constellation, Italian constellation. And the second case is a defense case. There we had the presentation just a second ago. Defense is everything about low latency. I don't want to know that in 2 hours ago, there were some metal gathering at the border, or 2 hours ago, something was happening. I want to have in minutes. The current requirements are 5 to 15 minutes, not 2 hours. And that's what we are providing already. First case, commercial case. In this case, there are up to 40 satellites. It's our client in Italy. 2 hours revisit time, it's okay. It's when it comes to the commercial constellation, 2 hours is good revisit time. 3 meters resolution. We are delivering X5 computer to this constellation and operating system, and on the top as well data pre-processing pipeline. The first satellite is already launched with our computer. The next 25 will be launched this at the beginning of the next year, up to 40 in the upcoming 2 years. That will be the biggest constellation, European Earth observation constellation, that is having edge computing. It will open enormous use cases. Why was it important for this specific case? First of all, you're increasing number of users. So in this case, when the satellites are above Italy, the owner of the data is Italian government. But when the satellite is, for example, above Australia or Turkey, there you can have different users and you have different clients with completely different use cases. So you're optimizing the revenue that is coming to the operator of the constellation, allowing to maximize the sensors as well usage. There's as well the storage, and you are able to serve or create even new products based on that. The second project that I have mentioned, the second case, is probably more for our today's experts that are gathered here. That's the case for the defense side. And it's a perfect example as well of cooperation in Nordic countries, because there you have the space inventor, they have DTU, Danish companies, Therma. The space inventor is providing the platform, Unibap is providing the computer, and additionally is supporting as well with the software development. Brilliant example of the cooperation in Nordic countries. What in this case we are achieving? First of all, edge computer for data processing and AI, inference in space. That means that you can detect the object, you can detect the anomalies, and you can get the alert not in hours, in minutes. You have as well radio receiver for signal cracking. We're developing, helping the Swedish side as well with AI applications for this part. The Therma is developing for the Danish part. And on top of it, you have as well satellite modem for the low latency downlink. Why is it relevant for us? Because we want to be secure in Europe, and we move from the infrastructure monitoring. We move to the tactical part, where we want to analyze, we want to detect, we want to analyze in this case, chips. Everything is enabled by the edge computer that is optimized with its CPU, GPU, and VPU for space missions. That was my last slide, and I think I'm perfectly on time. You're very welcome to visit us tomorrow. We are having open doors, and I myself and my colleague are here till the end of the day. Thank you very much.
Perfect, thank you. Thank you, Benita. Let's go for Ernst. Hard to see you in the light.
Yeah.
Welcome, man, from Pre-Orbit.
Thank you very much.